It's fall, ladies and gentlemen, and the weather is cold outside, and so we brought in a lot of our delicate plants: the avocado, the banana, citronella, and the beautiful chenille. Those are kind of delicate, so we bring them in, and let's take a walk outside and see who survived and what's going on. A lot of things going on out here in the backyard. Chives are surviving well. Of course, oregano doesn't care about anything. It makes it all winter. And we have some things out that need to be harvested soon. That'll be things like our sweet potato, and perhaps we might harvest a bit of our lemongrass. Um, we have things like lemon balm, lavender. Rain barrels are full. We still have peppers, ghost peppers, and eucalyptus. We have some sweet peppers, newly planted, freshly planted garlic. We have chard. There's a selection of dinosaur kale and collards, red mustards, turnips, curly kale, lots of edible pansies, and of course the hero in the garden, which is our compost bin. So that's just a little what's happening in the fall here. You notice our paths in between our garden are full of straw on top of layers of cardboard, and that keeps the grass and weeds from growing in between our beds. As far as the rest of the earth and the land around it, we probably cut for the last time this winter. Grass probably won't grow anymore this winter, and we'll have to put that chore aside. I'm not unhappy about that. We're trying to grow food and not a whole lot of grass. So we have a bed here, which is not quite ready yet. We'll probably put some turnips in there or something. And of course, oh, look at those. Those are collards, side of the house. Collards, collards, collards. The whole side of the house. We'll eat them all winter. So that's a little picture of our backyard. Looks like it survived for the season. We'll sit out here on a cold winter day and drink a cup of coffee and admire the forest and greenery in the background. Waterfall. We have a lake. It's really a beautiful place, and we're trying to make the best of it and use our energy to perpetuate it, grow our food, eat a lot of herbs, and learn about nature and our relationship to it. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed it.